Today we're going to restore a Ralph Martindale Sugarcane Machete. My father used the same type of machete when he was cutting sugarcane in far north Queensland in the 1950s. I purchased this machete new about 30 years ago, and it has followed me around the country as I moved chasing skirt and or work. I purchased this machete as a reminder of the work that my father did when he arrived in Australia. This sugarcane machete is sold as the Sugarcane Knife Model 1060 Polished. The blade is high carbon steel and the handle is made of German beechwood. The Ralph Martindale website still has this model listed and available for purchase through a worldwide reseller network. Unlike some of my other restorations, I am not interested in maintaining the patina, as this machete has, besides the sentimental family memory, little or no historical value. What I will be doing during the video is probably best described as a comprehensive clean. This cleaning will involve the full disassembly. The steel rivets will be destroyed getting them out. This will be followed by manual and machine assisted dry and wet sanding of the blade, and sanding and treatment of the handle with boiled linseed oil. In fact, similar restoration methods have been used for previous similar restoration projects, particularly those where patina retention is not a consideration. This machete has never cut sugarcane, and it is unlikely ever to be swung in anger. Used regularly, the high carbon steel blade of this machete would not need to be treated, except for the occasional light oiling. However, as this machete is likely to be used as a wall ornament, we will nickel plate the blade so as to keep any rust at bay. The nickel plating process will include a mild acid etching before being immersed into the nickel acetate bath to be plated by my electrolysis rust removing kit, or ERIC. My channel has videos on both making ERIC and also how to create the nickel acetate. The beechwood handle, after being progressively sanded from 80 to 320 grit, is treated with boiled linseed oil. Remember, when using boiled linseed oil, treat the timber once a day for a week, once a week for a month, once a month for a year, and then once a year. Keep up this regime and the wood handle will outlive the blade. And there you have it. This sugarcane machete is not a unique item. In fact, there are probably millions of these same machetes around the world made by hundreds of manufacturers. This sugarcane machete is also not valuable and is easily purchased from any hardware store or even online. What the sugarcane machete represents is far more important than its common status may suggest. It is far more valuable to me than the $50 or so required to purchase it. This machete represents my father's sweat and dedication to a new start in a new country. And for this reason, this sugarcane machete is priceless. Thanks for hanging around to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Comments are always welcome.